Okay, guys, I'm just back here for a couple of seconds. I got the case on it, and now I'm just going to show you how to set the time, and I'll just show you how to set an alarm if you want an alarm on this. So right now it's showing 15 degrees Celsius and it's 13:11, so that's 1:11. So if you want to change it, right now my time is 1:29 here. If you look at, let's see, if you're looking at the front of it, the right button, you hit that once. That starts the minutes flashing, and then you take the, if you're looking at it, it'd be the left key, and I want 27. Alright, and then you hit, now, what is that? It's the right key once. The time start, the hours, just leave that alone. Now the next one that's going to come up, that's the minutes for the alarm. The next one is the hour for the alarm. Hit it again. That's just a segment test. Segment test. And it brings you right back to the clock. Alright. It changes between the clock and the temperature. I believe it's 10 seconds. Let's just wait. 15 Celsius. Now I don't know if you're going to see this on camera, but I'm going to put my finger over the photocell to pretend it's dark, and all of a sudden you'll see the LED will dim. I can't quite tell if it dimmed yet or not. Nope, it didn't dim yet. Oh, it just dimmed. I don't know if you can see that on video, but it did dim. Okay, and that's all I got for you. So that is the do-it-yourself C51 microcontroller electronic LED light control temperature digital clock kit with case. And this is the only video that shows you through and through on this style clock. The other ones show, the full face clock. This is just time, temperature, and it does have an alarm. It doesn't have a date on it, just time and temperature. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. And again, if you want one of these, G&G Electronics at eBay. I'll leave the link down below.